You like going to school? Who's your teacher?
Phoebe.
And who else?
Miss Rita.
Oh.
Who are your pals in school?
Not pals.
Oh, who are they?
Classmates.
Oh. Yeah.
What's your room number?
Number 4.
No, the room in school. The door.
B1.
What is
B1.
it, Nicola? Okay, Nicholas is going to give you some.
Give him a little bit.
Okay, give it to him.
Thank you. Easy, Eli, easy.
Eli, say thank you.
Thank you, Nicholas.
Thank you, I gave it to you because you're my best brother.